Hi Ricardo, how are you doing today?
Hi Alexis, I'm doing great. I'm having fun today.
What have you got there?
This is an Alebrije and I'm painting it today. And I want to invite you to come and paint your own Alebrije this November 14th and 15th at 10 a.m. Do you know what an Alebrije is like?
I've heard about it from the movie Coco.
That's correct, from the movie Coco. That's when it became really popular. Well, you get to have one of these little pieces like this, and you can turn something like this white into something like this, or this, or this, or this. And that's something. Or this here. Look at that horse. The masterpiece. Well, it's all happening this coming November 14th and 15th at 10 a.m. in the morning. So if you want to come and learn how to do it, hey, register. You can register online at ricardosnursery.com, or you can call us 562-428-7252. And that's all it's all about. It's just having fun. It's so beautiful. It's so relaxing. There's going to be a teacher coming all the way from Oaxaca, and she's going to teach us how to do it professionally. You know, I'm just playing with it today because I wanted to relax and have a good time. But you can do it professionally if you want to. Look, it's going to turn out really nice. I will show you in another video what it'll look like. Okay? All right. I'll see you later.
Adios.
Adios.